Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Yasmin, Haniyah, Binti, Jaffri, and my student ID number is 2025460614.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Binti Arifin. My student ID is 2025873746.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Ain Zulekha Binti Azri and my student number is 2025403162.
So I will start with my part. So this is part A, question 1. Melda wants to replace her old camera with a high-resolution digital camera costing 7,500 ringgit. Her current camera is still in good condition, but she requires a new camera to support her work. She currently has 6,500 ringgit in savings. She is considering two options. So these are option A and option B. The question is, determine which option is more financially beneficial for Melda and briefly explain your answer. Option A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative n. Then 1000 equals to R in bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 bracket power of negative 24 bracket. Then R equals to 1000 divided by bracket 1 minus bracket 0.06 divided by 12 bracket power of negative 24 bracket. The answer is R equals to 44 ringgit 32 cents. For option B, S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. S equals to 6,500 bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 bracket power of 24. The answer is S equals to 7,326 ringgit 54 cents. From this question, option A is more financially beneficial for Melda. It is because she only needs to pay 44 ringgit 32 cents per month for 2 years, and it won't be a burden for her, while if she invests her 6,500 ringgit in an account for 2 years, she will only get 7,326 ringgit 54 cents, and it won't be enough to buy the camera that costs 7,500 ringgit, as she is lacking another 173 ringgit 46 cents. This is part A, question 2. Mr. J. Ibrahim owns a piece of agricultural land located near an area targeted for urban development. He may sell it immediately for 870,000 ringgit and invest the amount at 3.5 rate interest compounded monthly, or retain it for 2.5 years when the land value is projected to rise to 1,010,000 ringgit. Advise Mr. J. Ibrahim on which decision would be financially more beneficial. The answer is option A, S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket n. Then S equals to 870,000 bracket 1 plus 0.035 divided by 12 bracket 30. The answer is S equals to 949,433 ringgit 58 cents. Option B, retain it for 2.5 years when the land value is projected to rise to 1,010,000 ringgit. In my opinion, retain the land for 2.5 years would be financially more beneficial. It is because the value of the agricultural land will rise to 1,010,000 ringgit, and it is higher value than selling the land to do an investment, because you can only get 949,433 ringgit 85 cents from the investment. I will proceed with part A, question 3. Adwa has just started his first full-time job at the age of 20. He dreams of buying his first car when he turns 25 and decides to start saving early for a 20,000 ringgit down payment. To begin, Adwa deposits 9,200 ringgit into a car savings account that earns 4.1 rate interest compounded quarterly. 3 years later, after receiving a salary increment, he adds another 7,000 ringgit to the same account. The savings account remains untouched and continues to earn interest at the same rate until Adwa reaches 25 years old and is ready to make the down payment. Calculate the total accumulated amount in Adwa's saving account when he turns 25 years old. Answer: S1 equals to P1 bracket 1 plus I bracket n. S1 equals to 9,200 bracket 1 plus 0.041 divided by 4 bracket 20. S1 equals to 11,281 ringgit 45 cents. S2 equals to P2 bracket 1 plus I bracket n. S2 equals to 7,000 bracket 1 plus 0.041 divided by 4 bracket 8 equals to 7,535 ringgit 2 cents. So the total accumulated amount, 11,281 ringgit 45 cents plus 7,595 ringgit 2 cents equals to 876 ringgit 47 cents. B. Determine the total interest earned by that time. I equals to S minus P. 18,876 ringgit 47 cents minus 9,200 ringgit. The answer is 2,676 ringgit 47 cents.
C. Based on your results, evaluate whether Adwa's savings will be enough to cover the 20,000 ringgit down payment for his dream car. Explain your reasoning. Based on my results, Adwa's saving will not be enough to cover the down payment for his dream car. It is because the total of Adwa's saving is only 18,876 ringgit 47 cent when he needs 20,000 ringgit for the down payment. So Adwa is lacking another 1,123 ringgit 53 cent to make it enough for the down payment. Part B, question 1. Saif's father left an inheritance of 1.1 million ringgit, which was divided in the ratio 5 to 3 to 2 among Saif and his two siblings, Anjali and Rani. Saif used his entire share as the down payment for a fabric factory worth 1 million ringgit. He then took a loan to cover the remaining cost of the factory. The bank charged 4.2% interest, compounded monthly, and the loan I to be repaid over a period of 25 years. Answer A. Find the monthly payment. 1 million ringgit minus 550,000 ringgit equal to 550,000 ringgit. 5 divided by 10 multiply with 1,100,000 ringgit equals to 550,000 ringgit. A equals to R, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I close bracket, power of negative n divided by I close bracket. 450,000 ringgit equals to R, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.042 divided by 12 close bracket, power of negative 300 divided by 0.042 divided by 12 close bracket. R equals to 450,000 divided by bracket 1 minus bracket 0.042 divided by 12 power of negative 300 divided by 0.042 divided by 12 close bracket. So the monthly payment R equals to 2,425 ringgit 24 cents. Part B, question 1. B. Calculate the interest charge. Total interest charge equals to NR minus A. Bracket 300 multiplied with 2,425 ringgit 25 cents. Close bracket minus 450,000 ringgit equals to 277,572 ringgit.
C. If he fails to pay the first 2 monthly payments, find the amount he has to pay on the third payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. Payment. S3 equals to R multiply bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n minus 1 divided by I. 2,425.24 ringgit multiply bracket 1 plus 0.042 per 12 bracket power of 3 minus 1 divided by 0.042 per 12. S3 equals to 7,301.21 ringgit. D. Immediately after paying for 20 years, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the settlement amount. 20 years multiplied by 12 equal to 240 months. 25 years multiplied by 12 equal to 300 months. Balance number of payments equal to 300 minus 240 equal to 60 months. A60 equal to R multiply 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative n divided by I. 2,425.24 ringgit multiply 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.042 per 12 bracket power of negative 60 divided by 0.042 per 12. A60 equals to 131,045.7 ringgit. Question 2. Vijay plans to travel to Japan with his friends. To achieve his dream, he needs Rm 40,000 ringgit. He can save only Rm 750 ringgit per month in Bank Spring, which offers 3.9% interest compounded monthly. How many monthly deposits must Vijay make to accumulate at least Rm 40,000 ringgit? S equals to R multiply bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 divided by I. 40,000 equals to 750 multiply bracket 1 plus 0.039 per 12 bracket power of n minus 1 divided by 0.039 per 12. 40,000 divided by 750 multiply 0.039 per 12 equals to bracket 1 plus 0.039 per 12 bracket power of n minus 1. 0.173333 equals to bracket 1 plus 0.039 per 12 bracket power of n minus 1. 0.173333 plus 1 equals to bracket 1 plus 0.039 per 12 bracket power of n. 1.173333 equals to bracket 1 plus 0.039 per 12 bracket power of n. 1.00325 power of n equals to 1.173333. N equals to log 1.173333 divided by log 1.00325. N equals to 49 monthly deposits.